Hey guys, and welcome back to KAI Cubing. In this video, I will be breaking down my 6.41 3x3 single. So this was a very fast solve for me and I'm very happy with the time. So I'll break it down and reconstruct it right now. So the scramble will be on the screen on the top over here, and let's scramble it. So B2, U2, L2, U2, L prime, D2, F2, R prime, F2, D2, R, U prime, L2, B, U2, L2, D prime, L, B, R2. So that is a scramble, and this is how it looks like. Okay, now let's get into the reconstruction. So I either solve a white cross or a yellow cross, and you can clearly see the white cross is very nice because these two cross edges are pretty much already solved, and I have to solve just these two, and these two are actually also solved. So this is just a 2-move cross for me, which is quite fast, and I decided let's look ahead into F12. So I saw this pair over here, so an R prime would move this corner over here and an F2 would move it here. So this white sticker will be down here. Then I noticed that this edge will remain exactly there because I'm not doing any B moves or U moves, just R moves and F moves. So pretty much this whole backside will remain the same, and I decided to also look ahead a little bit more, and I saw this edge, and finishing the cross would affect it only once, and that is when I'm doing the R prime to insert the green. That would move this edge back here. So I kept it down and I started with R prime F2 as I planned, and as you can see the corner is down here just like I predicted, and the edge is still back there, which is awesome. So then a U prime, pair it up, and I saw this corner which pretty much pairs up with this edge. So after insertion I immediately rotated so I can solve this next, and I actually saw this pair and I decided to do that as my next one. So I took it out, and while inserting I actually saw this edge pop up, and I decided that would probably be a better pair to do. So I rotated and I broke it up like this, U, and insert into the left front slot like this, and then while doing that I was tracking this, so I rotated. And here is where the interesting part of the solve comes, and instead of doing the regular RU insert for this, the 2gen one, I decided to do the 2gen, but it's an R and D move version of it. So the algorithm is basically R prime, D, R, U prime, R prime, D, R, and that makes a free pair. Now I was actually in this position and I decided to insert this pair with a sledgehammer. So taking it out, and instead of inserting it the normal way, I did a sledgehammer. So sledgehammer, and that gave me this OLL, and upon doing that it pretty much solved the whole cube. So I dropped my cube and it was a 6.41, which is just crazy fast for me. So there actually is an alternate solution, and that gives me a lot of free pairs, so I'll demonstrate that. So again, white cross, and these two are my first cross edges that I'll solve. And the difference is my first pair choice, and I decided to do this in the original solve, but instead if I did this corner and this edge, I'll actually get a lot of free pairs. So I'll demonstrate. So first insert green and then F2 for red, and then a U move would pair this up, and I can take it out. I'm doing a U and inserting it gives me this free pair. So U2, insert it into the back, and inserting that gives me this free pair. So I can do a U and rotate at the same time and insert it. And next I have this corner and this edge, so I can pair it up by doing this like that. And instead of doing the normal 3 move insert, I can actually do an algorithm that would solve both this pair and also orient all my edges. I made a whole video about this and you can check that out here. So I can do that algorithm like this, and next I have a soon OLL, as you can see, so like that. And finally I have a T-perm as my PLL, so U2 and T-perm. So that's all I have to say about the scramble. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. That's all for this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye!